Meaning of hackles.
hackles,
Hackles.
hackles,
Hackles. The term hackles refers to the hairs on the back of an animal's neck that stand up when it is angry or frightened. The phrase to raise someone's hackles means to make them angry or irritated. This physical response is triggered by the sympathetic nervous system, preparing the animal for a fight or flight response. In humans, this phrase is often used to describe a feeling of anger or annoyance, causing a person's own hackles to rise. The term is often utilized in literature and common vernacular to describe a heightened state of anger or tension.